Welcome to the new video. As promised yesterday, so today I am going to discuss about trigonometric functions table. So in this entire row, I am going to use the angle values, and in this entire column, I am going to use the trigonometric functions. Okay, so let us start this. So first, let us take the angle values: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These are the prominent values, only known values. We cannot calculate other than these values. Of course we can calculate, but these are the known values for us. So as I explained yesterday in the last video, that how to calculate different values, right? So like for example, you can see here we have seen yesterday how to calculate sine of 120. Also I explained cos of 240, right? And I promise that in the next video I will show you how to calculate the tan 330, cot 210, secant 150. So today we will discuss only this trigonometric functions table. If you get the sine values, if you get this particular row, if you calculate sine values, you can at the same time you can calculate, you will get all other values from these sine values. So before starting, first let us take here, we will take a square root in all these four. Let us take square root in every column of this first row, and let us take the values 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let us take the denominator as 4 in all, like this. Okay, so as we know that square root of 0 by 4 is 0 only, right? So we will get sine theta 0, sine 0 is 0. Okay, now let us calculate the sine 30. We will divide this square root of 1 by 4 as 1 by 4 is nothing but, you can take square root of 1 by square root of 4, right? 1 is square root of 1 is 1 only, and square root of 4 is 2. So we'll get the sine 30 as 1 by 2. Next, calculate this 2 by 4. Square root of 2 by 4 is what? Let's see how to calculate the square root of 2 by 4. This is sine 45 degrees, right? So first, before doing that, let us divide these numbers. So we will be getting the resultant as square root of 1 by 2, and this will be equal to 1 by root 2. So we will write it here directly, 1 by root 2. Next comes square root of 3 by 4. Square root of 3 by 4. So square root of 3 is as it is, and square root of 4 is 2. So we will get the value here as root 3 by 2. And this is square root of 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. And finally we will get 1 here. Okay, so once if you get the sine values, then automatically you will get the other values. Like we will get how to get the cos values from the sine. You will take this 90 degrees value and keep it here. So I will take another color for this. Let us go with this color. So 1 will be here, and then next value is sine cos 30 is nothing but sine 16. So we will get root 3 by 2, and the next sine cos 45 is nothing but sine 45. We will get the same value as it is here, 1 by root 2, and then here similarly 1 by 2, and here it is 0. Okay, now let us calculate the tan theta values. So we know the formula, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So with this formula we will calculate the values of tan theta. So first one is 0 by 1, which is nothing but 0, and then next here we will get sine is 1 by 2 and cos is root 3 by 2. You take this ratio, sin theta by cos theta, resultant value will be what? It will be 1 by root 3. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We will be getting 1 by root 3. And similarly The next one, let me write it clearly here. This is 1 by root 3. Next here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. And the next, same here, like sin theta by cos theta. So we will get root 3. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we will get root 3. Okay. And the next is 1 by 0 is undefined, infinity. And same repetition, cos will be cot will be like inverse of tan. So you will get cot 0 is equal to infinity. This value will come here, infinity. And then root 3. Next 1 by root 3, 0. Okay. Now let us change the color of the pen. Next comes secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but the formula of secant theta is what? Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So let us calculate these values. One by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 is root 2. Next 1 by 2 is 2. Then 1 by 2 is 1 by 0 is infinity. Cosec is nothing but it is equal to 1 by sin theta. Let us change the color to blue. So here you will get infinity. And then next 2, next root 2, and then 2 by root 3. Next comes 1. So this table you have to draw first. I mean, as in order to calculate the different values, like yesterday in the last video we have seen how to calculate different values, angle values. So you have to use all silver teacups. Along with this table, you can solve any number of problems.